Everybody, so we're gonna play this game, and it's called Dishwasher Sim, and I actually know how to play this game now. I did it off cam, but I'm gonna upgrade. Let's see what I can get. I wish I can get this. Yeah, I can get it. Yes. But with the dishwashing simulator. Okay, I should do that. What's this guy doing here? Okay, I think that's the guy who's told me how to do it. So I have this. I can place it anywhere I want it. You don't have any dishes. Okay. Okay, so I can pick up anything in this one, I think. Another one for the other one. Also, I need to buy a bucket. I don't have any dishes. This is really big. I have put it here. It was easier when I was there because it was like something. Man, this is a hard work. And another one is ready. You're carrying clean dishes. What you tell me? Like, there's a lot of it. The better the dishwasher, the more money that I get. Wow. Now if jeez. They're just eating? Are they? Wow, the cows are gonna get angry. Bro! Let me go upgrade. Alright, actually I'm gonna put this one yet. I'm gonna go back home. Let me put this in my dishwasher. Gonna go upgrade my boy yet and get pockets, dish pockets. So I'm pretty sure I have that. Well, no, I did not. Jumbo marble bucket. 55 euro. This is what I have right now. That cheese bucket. Now I'm yeah. Ooh, that's a big skip. Cheese bucket. Let me buy. Come on. Wait, this has 5. This has 10. Buy it. Top. That's a lot. This game is hard. What if I got round? There's actually new endings in this, guys. I heard there's aliens and something bad could happen. Also, capybaras can spawn. So I think I can like, can I go there? Yo, chef, I can go here. Yay, chef. Okay. I'm pretty sure. Oh wait, no, it has to be full, so you can, I was kind of confused there, boy. Not enough dishwasher. Oh, so these things get told that much. So we have to get more and more dishwashers so it can balance. Ah, now I'm knowing what is this. Now we have clean clothes. Have to be quick. You have to be clear. You have to be so quick. And go back. No, I'm so late. I'm so late. I'm so late. Man, this is just so. I didn't know that. I didn't know that I could do that. Wait, I can go here? That's a lot. My bucket is full. We have to balance our things. We don't have any dishes. Okay. I'm gonna wait for this one and just speed run. Go. We don't have any time. We just have to go. 5 bits. Okay, I don't care. It's not much. Yes. Go, 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 go. 5, 4, 3. Let's go away. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Come on. Yeah, this is disgusting. Just so disgusting. I think this game is so hard that it could not sink in. What should I upgrade, guys? Wait a sec. Devil? Whoa, 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 whoa. Should I play this game? Or should I watch Devil? Man, I should have do live.